All right, good morning from snowy Oklahoma. Officially about 3.5 inches from yesterday's storm. Sunday's storm was about the same, and they're saying, 6+ inches for this area. Where I am at, about 2.5 inches yesterday. Just got done scraping ice and snow off the Chevy. Gonna get this all warmed up. Gonna get this sold hopefully this weekend. So I'll be in the Sierra from now on. All right, let's go out back and I'll show you the solar panels. All right, now we're out back here. Definitely have to get the snow off these solar panels so I can make some solar power. But I want to show you one quick thing here. Look at the pool. I never drained this adult-sized kiddie pool. And if you can see this, it's got a layer of ice. Let me see here. See there? Let's see how thick this is. Oh, it's just paper thin. Paper thin. No big deal. Let's go out here and take a look at the solar panels. Got ice on the little pond right there. This is pretty fluffy. Yeah, it's a good 2.5 inches right there. Really fluffy. Cold. And I gotta get this main array cleaned off over here. That's 2,400 watts of solar panels that need to make some power today. Because my battery bank is depleted. Let's look over here. This is where I have the biggest problems. Yeah, it's a good 3 inches on there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Easily 3 inches. So I need to get that off there, too. Let's go over here. Let me get these babies cleaned off, too. See here? Yeah. I do have to say the cold is best for Eskimos, igloos, and Canadians. Not down here in Oklahoma. All right, have a good morning, and we'll see you next time.